In today's video, let's talk about how to use DeepSeek for business ideas. If you're stuck trying to come up with great business ideas, let me show you how you can use DeepSeek as your personal business ideation machine to generate profitable as well as innovative concepts. So starting off, what you need to do is be specific about your interests, skills, and your target market. DeepSeek can then combine the emerging trends with the unique strengths that you have to create a custom business idea. Now, the first thing in writing these prompts is you need to ask DeepSeek to act as someone. In this case, you can ask it to act as a business strategist and ideation expert. Along with that, you can add in the main thing, which is to generate the business ideas that combine these elements. So by dividing your prompts into different sections and asking it what you exactly need, you're going to get a defined answer. As long as you follow these prompt rules, you can use DeepSeek to generate ideas and answers that exactly match up. So make sure you add in a similar prompt to this, and it will give you different business ideas based upon the prompt that you've added in. So based upon these prompts, DeepSeek has now generated a few ideas. Along with the ideas, it has generated the revenue streams, the biggest challenges, and the estimated startup cost. So for each of these ideas, based upon what you have and what you need to acquire, you can take a look at these ideas, development, and start the process of development. Now, once you have these ideas, you can use DeepSeek to create business plans and financial projections, develop marketing strategies and branding, and also write a pitch deck for potential investors. So this is the way that you can use DeepSeek to generate ideas that actually fit and is also of your interest. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.